A pleasant day to all of us, especially to our professor, Dr. Claire A. Macabanang. By the way, I am Trisha Fides Al Salazar, and my topic for today is driving results through others influencing. So first, let us define influence. Well, according to Cambridge Dictionary, it is defined as the ability to have an effect on the thoughts, feelings, or actions of others. So, as a leader, influencing others is very essential in achieving organizational goals, driving change, inspiring motivation, building trust, developing talent, fostering collaboration, managing conflicts, and ensuring the success and sustainability of the team and the organization. But how can we effectively drive results through others? First is to lead by example, communicate clearly and effectively, build relationships. Another is empower others, listen actively, provide feedback and recognition, collaborate and foster teamwork, and lastly, lead with purpose and passion. Lead by example. So, as a leader, we should demonstrate the behaviors and attitudes that we want or you want others to adapt. If you value continuous learning, show your commitment to professional development. And if you promote collaboration, then actively engage in teamwork with your colleagues. Next is communicate clearly and effectively. Clearly articulate your vision, goals, and expectations as a leader. Use various communication channels to ensure your message reaches everyone involved, whether it's through staff meetings, emails, or one-on-one conversation. An example scenario is during a meeting, a team leader or a leader outlines the objectives, roles, and expectations clearly, ensuring everyone understands their responsibilities and how they contribute to the events or project's success. Build relationships. Establish strong, trusting relationships with colleagues, students, parents, and other stakeholders. For when people feel valued and respected, they are more likely to be receptive to your influence and ideas. So if you want to build relationships, especially within your colleagues or team, you may consider organizing team building activities, encouraging open dialogue, and taking an interest in your team members' personal and professional development, fostering a sense of trust and camaraderie within the team. Empower others. Encourage autonomy and initiative among your team members. Give them the freedom to innovate, make decisions, and take ownership of their work, and provide support and resources as needed, but also allow room for creativity and independent thinking. So, for example, is delegating tasks to your team members based on their strengths and skills, providing necessary support and resources, and allowing them the autonomy to make decisions and take ownership of their work. Listen actively. Take the time to listen to the concerns, ideas, and feedback of others. Show empathy and understanding and demonstrate that their input is valued. Actively involving others in the decision making process can foster a sense of ownership and commitment. For example, in a brainstorming session, a team leader listens attentively to every member's ideas without interrupting, acknowledges their contributions, and incorporates valuable insights into the discussion. Provide feedback and recognition. As a leader, you should offer constructive feedback to help others grow and improve. Recognize and celebrate their achievement and contributions, both big and small, for positive reinforcement can boost morale and motivation. For example, after completing a challenging project or event, a leader provides constructive feedback to their team members, highlighting their strengths and areas for improvement, and publicly recognizes their hard work and dedication during a meeting. Next is collaborate and foster teamwork. Encourage collaboration and teamwork among colleagues. Create opportunities for interdisciplinary collaboration, professional learning communities, and joint projects. When people work together toward a common goal, they can achieve greater results. So, here is an example scenario when faced with a complex problem, a leader encourages collaboration among the team members from different departments, facilitating brainstorming sessions and encouraging diverse perspectives to find innovative solutions. Last is lead with purpose and passion. Inspire others with your enthusiasm and dedication to the mission of education. Share your passion for teaching and learning and show how it aligns with the goals and values of your organization. Example is a leader passionately communicates the institution's mission and values, inspiring employees to align their work with the organization's purpose and fostering a sense of pride and commitment among the team members.